Is affiliate marketing dead? Well, the short answer is no. It's been around for a while and reveals no signs of slowing down. Many brands use it as a marketing channel, while the stats expose its multi-billion-dollar market. Has it changed? Sure. But mainstream e-commerce first utilized affiliate marketing to offer flowers and other gifts. But before we jump into why affiliate marketing isn't dead, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money with affiliate marketing. This is how thousands of ordinary people like me generate income online through affiliate marketing. I'll drop a link in the description below this video so you can check it out. With increasingly more bloggers and influencers earning a full-time income for suggesting other people's services or products to their audiences, it's safe to say that affiliate marketing is not dying anytime soon. What is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is the kind of performance marketing in which a company pays affiliates for each visitor or consumer the affiliate's marketing efforts bring in. Now, BuzzFeed is an outstanding example of successful affiliate marketing. You'll see a lot of content on their site providing information and value. And when readers buy something through a link in and among those articles, BuzzFeed gets a cut, referred to as an affiliate commission. So how much can you make with affiliate marketing? Well, the short answer is a lot. So-called super affiliates, affiliates who produce a large percentage of an affiliate program's earnings single-handedly, make six figures a month, much of it as passive income. Those are the Pat Flynn's and the Ray Hoffmans of the world. The majority of us are not going to make that kind of money. When we look at the full scope of the affiliate marketer's income scale, it sounds a little bit something like this. Overall newbies, well, they are losing cash each month as they start. A low-level marketer can make as much as $300 a day. An intermediate affiliate makes $300 to $3,000. Top-level affiliates over $3,000 a day, and super affiliates more than $10,000 a day. So even on the intermediate level, you're not doing too bad. Side note, making consistent money through affiliate networks does not take place overnight. It can take a year of hard work to start recovering the cost. But once you begin generating the income, things can improve very quickly. So what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? When you're wondering if affiliate marketing is dead, you might think there's no point in delving further if you actually need to ask the question. But affiliate marketing has its advantages. There's low startup costs. You don't need a small business or an individual loan to go into affiliate marketing. You can begin a blog site for about $100 a year. And you can work from home. You don't need a brick and mortar space to run an affiliate marketing blog. You can do whatever needs to be done from your home or anywhere else with a solid internet connection. And that makes affiliate marketing suitable for stay-at-home parents or those with limited movement. Also, it's part-time. Beginning and maintaining a blog site isn't super labor intensive. It's hard work in its own way, and the more time you could take in the beginning to set it up, the much faster it'll grow. However, you can start an affiliate marketing service and grow it around other obligations like your routine tasks, your hobbies, your friends, and your household. Next, you don't need to be a professional. There's a lot to learn about developing an effective marketing technique for your blog. SEO practices, the best tools, best plugins, best affiliate deals, and so on. But you can learn all of it as you go, and most of it is free. Next, the earnings can be passive. Passive earnings is cash that doesn't require your time to make. And affiliate commissions are a terrific example. Let's say you compose an evergreen short article on 10 ways to lose weight quickly on your health and fitness blog site, and you add your affiliate link to each piece. Well, each time a reader buys a product on the site using your link, you make an affiliate commission, but you only had to write the blog once. So is affiliate marketing dead? Well, I'm happy to report that affiliate marketing is not dead. There are some statistics to back this up. According to Google Trends, the term affiliate marketing continues to be heavily searched. And affiliate marketing is alive and kicking, with 81% of brand names utilizing it as part of their digital marketing technique. Now, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and turn it into a full-time six-figure income online, then check out the link in the description below this video for my #1 recommendation for getting into affiliate marketing. It'll give you the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing and the training and mentorship from a team that's helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check it out in the link below this video. No pressure, it's totally up to you. Take care.